Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put like a text behind an object on CapCut PC. Copy and paste your video, and on the second video go to cutout and select auto cutout. You can also use customize, but that is a pro option. Go to text and add in like a default text, or you can use some text effects as well. I think I'm just going to add in a text effect. I'm just going to then drag it under the video like so, and I'm just going to just change the text, scale it up. I'm just going to place it here, and yeah, that is basically it. Super simple. If the text doesn't move like under the video, just simply select the background and text, right click, and then select create compound clip, and it's going to stay there. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section and down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!